Hey guys, so I'm starting this prank. So I'm starting this video super randomly because I am in the back of my husband's truck right now. Here, mommy, hold it.
Why?
Hold it. So we're gonna go to Rising Cane's right now, and no, and I'm gonna tape this onto his truck. He's gonna. I've been trying to do this prank for the longest now. Honk, I just got remarried. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna pull a prank on my husband today. So hopefully it worked. Hopefully it works. Back of his truck, I put honk, I just got remarried. There's like a lot of these that I've seen on YouTube. Hold on, guys. I just like cleaned his truck. Hold this one. The kids are already in the truck, so my plans are for him to go through the door and go through the front and hop on. I've been like kind of rushing him and telling him like hurry up because the kids are frustrated, so he can just come, you know, to the front. Because usually what he does is he does like a whole 360 and checks out the entire truck every time he gets on it. Like, I don't understand why he does that, but it's a thing that he does. So she got some twinkle toe shoes, some new ones. Yes, it fits.
Go fly.
That one's nice, huh?
So badass truck.
It looks nice.
The TRD Pro. So badass truck.
It looks like a good truck. It is too much good. Okay, mommy? Why'd you go on the slow lane? You're going pretty slow. Get off on Alder, so maybe that little street is opening. All right, let me just stop you really quick so you guys can catch on to what's going on. So the entire time, no car was behind us. I don't understand why. Out of all days that I was trying to pull a prank on him, nobody wanted to go behind him. And as we were approaching to our location, like, he was going so fast. So I was doing everything to tell him to slow down, you know, and have some cars go behind us. So anyways, we got to Rising Cane's, and I told him to park reverse because I didn't want him to see the damn sign. But he found a damn parking right in the front, so he ended up seeing the sign before I could even do a second chance. Damn, guys, this did not work. This prank did not work. It did not work, guys. It did not work. Yes. These people are looking. Those people are looking at my husband. What's over there? They're looking at him like, what the hell? Those people were looking at you like, what the
We just got remarried, guys. Everybody congratulate us.
So yeah, mommy, our plan failed.
What?
Our plan failed.
Why?
Because Bobby didn't get pranked. Because nobody honked. Wah, wah, wah. Prank was totally a fail. Nobody honked. Nobody is good sports here, and nobody knows how to play along. So unfortunately, it didn't work. But we're gonna keep the sign on and see, you know, who honks and stuff. They honked. I told you.
Yay!
He's like,
We didn't pack.
All right. Well, at least you got one honk. They honked. He's turning though. Oh no, he's going. He's following you.
If I would have known, I would have been mad.
Would you?
Yeah. How could it?
Wait, we did 3?
We got 2 honks so far, guys.
Oh
2
yeah,
honks.
wait, we did 3.
No, those not me.
Oh.
You know what's kind of like dumb? That you can't get married today
Where?
because it's Sunday. The courthouse is closed. I would go up the little mountain right here.
Where?
This little mountain.
What little mountain?
This little hill.
Oh, the bridge.
Oh, whatever. This
Not
bridge.
much.
This bridge.
Kids reading this thing.
Is he? Is he reading the thing? No honk. He just stared.
You did.
No, he didn't.
You didn't hear it?
No.
It was either the one in the back or.
I didn't hear nothing.
You hear it?
No.
I did hear